I've been trading on and off since 2000, and I've been in 3 or 4 different programs, and there's just something that I've noticed, from all the programs, and it's the same here in this American Dream Trading as well, and that is, if you look at the characters of the people that are successful, if you look at your character, I don't know you, I hear you every morning, and if you look at Jimmy's character, I don't know him, but I hear him every morning, right. It's the same character, it's the same type of person, and I've noticed that the successful people in all the programs, including this one, they're all of the pretty much the same character. I like to follow people, and when I find good people and good characters, that's where I always find success. And that's the reason why I'm here, and I appreciate you, Coach. I'm up 12% on my account. I've got to run for the rest of the day.
That's awesome.
I just want to thanks, and you're much appreciaed. Thank you.
Man. I appreciate you. Congratulations. That's awesome, by the way.